Hey hustlers, let's talk about freelancing. It's the future of work. You're in control. Work from anywhere, set your own hours, and be your own boss. Freelancing is all about freedom. No more 9-to-5 grind. You choose your projects and your clients. What's your passion? Writing, design, coding, whatever it is, you can monetize it. Freelancing lets you turn your skills into income. Ready to unlock your earning potential? Let's dive in. First impressions matter. Your profile is your online storefront. Make it shine. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients worldwide, but you've got to stand out. Use a professional photo. Smile. Your headline should grab attention. Showcase your skills and experience. Don't forget your portfolio. This is your chance to show off your best work. Make it high quality and relevant. Remember, you're selling your expertise. Make it irresistible. Clients won't just fall into your lap. You've got to go out there and get them. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have tons of job postings. Read them carefully, understand what the client needs, tailor your proposals. Don't copy and paste. Show them you understand their project. Highlight your unique skills. What sets you apart? Let your personality shine through, and be responsive. Answer messages promptly. Communication is key. Your portfolio is your secret weapon. It's where you let your work speak for itself. Choose your best projects. Highlight your skills and expertise. Use high-quality visuals. Make it easy to navigate. Keep it updated with your latest work. No prior experience? No problem. Create your own projects. Volunteer your skills. Build that portfolio. Remember, your portfolio is a work in progress. Keep adding to it and refining it. Section 5. Setting your rates. Value your expertise. Don't undervalue yourself. You're a skilled professional. Research industry standards. What are other freelancers charging? Start with competitive rates. As you gain experience, you can increase your prices. Remember, you're not just charging for your time. You're charging for your expertise, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Value your worth. Section 6. Beginner's Guide, Practical Tips for Freelancing Success. Starting out can be daunting, but don't worry, I've got your back. Start small. Take on smaller projects to build your confidence and portfolio. Be patient. Success takes time and effort. Don't give up. Manage your time wisely. Set deadlines and stick to them. Stay organized. Use tools like Trello or Asana to keep track of your projects. And most importantly, never stop learning. The freelance world is constantly evolving. Stay ahead of the curve. Section 7. Embrace the journey. Stay motivated and inspired. Freelancing is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be ups and downs. Stay motivated. Set goals, celebrate your wins, and learn from your setbacks. Surround yourself with positive influences. Connect with other freelancers, join online communities. Remember why you started. Was it for more freedom, flexibility, the ability to pursue your passion? Keep that fire burning. Section 8. Take action today. Start building your freelancing empire. You've got the knowledge, now it's time to take action. Start building your profile today. Don't wait for the perfect moment. There's no better time than now. Start pitching clients. Don't be afraid of rejection. Every no gets you closer to a yes. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. Steve Jobs. Believe in yourself and your abilities. You've got this. Section 9. Your future awaits. Embrace freedom and flexibility. Imagine a life where you're in control. You set your own hours, work from anywhere, and answer to no one but yourself. Freelancing gives you that freedom. It's not just about the money, it's about the lifestyle. It's about spending more time with your family, pursuing your passions, and living on your own terms. So what are you waiting for? Take the leap and unlock your freelancing potential today.